Hey, Corey. In the background. Oh, an old control arm. Okay. Look at that shit. It's fucking gross. Oh, it looks like you redid that whole control arm bracket. It looks a lot better than before. Go ahead, tell him. Tell him. Alright, fine. Don't tell him. Screw it. It was a must to redo that. It looked hideous. I think that'll work. Maybe. Oh, just barely clears the axle. That's a problem. Oh, look at the motor. Super close to that bracket. Okay. Yep, more axle shit. Cool. Yeah, there's no room right there. Plus, I'm lowering the motor, so we gotta move that. Cool. Yep, go ahead and cut it. Cut your fingers off, idiot. Let's go. Here's your glove, man. You're stupid. Oh, ding. There it goes. Okay, cool. Got it off. Nice, nice. Oh yeah, let's clean it up now. Slap this good a bit. Maybe you should rebuild those captive bolts. They look kind of... There we go. Nice and smooth. Okay, make sure that shit's tight. The whole motor moves. Yep. Got that. So it looks like you're reusing that piece of metal. That's cool. Could just make a new one, but whatever. You just reuse the old one. Why the hell are you unbolting that for? Yep, use a piece of wood to hold the motor so it doesn't fall down. That's cool. That's very, very safe. Oh, let's drop the motor a little bit. Cool. A little more. That's cool. Oh, that's why you took it off, to make some more fucking clearance between the subframe. Yep, go ahead, tell him how that hits. Now what are you gonna do, idiot? You can see how much I actually lowered this thing. It's probably like a good 1.5 inches, maybe 1.25 inches. Alright, now you got clearance above the axle, that's cool. I guess that looks alright. This side, it looked better before, but I guess that'll do. Look, you can't even take the bolt out because it's gonna hit that bracket. What an idiot. Oh well, we'll pretend that didn't happen. Now what the hell are you doing? Ah, you're taking off that removable front subframe piece. Okay. Makes sense. I do like those couplings though, those are pretty neat. Like, hurry up and take that thing off. What the hell? Let's go. I have all day. Alright, lower the more a little bit. There we go. Got it out. Wow, that is fucking hideous. Sheesh. Maybe you should tell him that you bent up a piece of pipe instead of remaking that lower bracket. Oh, that's never gonna work. You can't just eye things out like that and expect them to work. You're seriously just like eyeing this up, aren't you? Okay, got some clearance in the axle. That looks okay. Some more clearance in the motor. Okay, cool. I mean, I guess it should be better than before. Oh, he thinks he's nice welding with no fucking gloves on, doesn't he? Don't be a bitch. Take off the other glove. Fuck it. Yeah, mediocre at best. That'll do. Now what's going on? Oh, okay. Nice bracket. What does that do? Okay, one's got a different size hole. Okay, yep, flip it over. Ooh, what's this? Oh, you tapped and threaded that bracket? Wow. This kid's thinking. Wash your hands. What the fuck? Okay. Struggling over here. Maybe we should re-tap those threads. No, we'll let it slide. This is just a prototype. Look at that. Decent. Okay. Oh, the hole doesn't line up. What the fuck? Fuck, you done fucked up? Oh, it's on a little slider. I see. I guess that'll fucking do. Yep, looks good to me. Oh, don't forget the washer, stupid. There she goes. Nice tight fit.
And indeed, we help people in Rhode Island find jobs.
Ah, I see. I see. That's so once it's all tightened down, I can still move freely. Ah, okay, okay. You see. Did you cut that out? It's not a hole saw, just a fucking angle grinder? It looked like you did. What's up with the strings holding up that control arm? But them brackets, though, they look pretty decent. And them bolts are a little too long. What are you really doing over here? Okay. Pretend you know how to use a measuring tape. I doubt it. Yep, 24 sounds good. Yep, just weld it on. Fuck it. Now he took off his other glove. This guy's fancy. Yeah, that's safe. Do it. Get it. Get it. Alright, we got it. We're good. You think this is actually gonna work? I don't know, man. Yep, drop it. Wow, look at that. This kid's nice. Look at that. Kid's a beast. Alright, cool. Nice and tacked up. Alright. What are you really doing over here? What are you doing? Oh, now it all makes sense. You take that plate off so you can move the pin. And that's how the control arm comes out. This kid is sneaky. Look at that. Alright. That's cool. Don't lose that washer. That's important. Now what are you doing? That's not how you cut pipe. What are you cutting pipe like that for? It's not even. Oh my god. Alright. What are you doing? He didn't even put acetone on it. This kid's already TIG welding. What the? I guess. Okay, alright. Seems to be working. You know, not wearing gloves, you're getting your oils on your fingers all over that rod. You know that, right? Yep, you already seen this. Looks good. Ooh, what's that? What is that? This kid's a beast. Got control arms now. Look at that. All sorts of adjustments, too. Cool, goes up and down. And your tire's on backwards, you idiot. What is that fucking thing? From like the fucking early 2000s. Oh, what the hell with that? Throw that away. Yeah, get it out of here. Fuck, that was terrible to watch.